Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. We are at CVS and we are about to get into a few deals, okay? Okay guys, so I'm gonna pick up 3 of this Pantene. It's 3 for $15. And when you purchase 3, you get a $5 extra care buck. I'm gonna pick up 3, use this 5 off of 3 manufacturer's coupon. And the 5 off of 3 digital is going to apply as well. I'm going to pay $5, getting $5 back, making it completely free, and it also tracks towards beauty. Okay guys, so the Garnier is 2 for $7, and when you purchase 2, you get $3 back. I am picking up 2 of the treatment at $7. There's a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I'm going to pay $3 and get $3 back, making it completely free. I was trying to find the other one that's on sale for when you spend $15 you get $5 back, but my store do not have any of that one. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be picking up. Okay guys, so this is my Dove deal. Dove is 20% off this week, and when you spend $15 you get $5 back. So thank you to Saving with Danielle and one of my lovely subscribers, I'm not going to mention her name, who sent me some coupons. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the men's and 2 of the women's, which is all the way on the other side behind the counter. So picking up 4 is going to bring the total to $28.76. I'm going to use 2 of the buy one, get one free, which is taking off $6.49. And I have a 3 off of 18 Nivea that's attaching to the Dove. So I'm going to pay $11.78, getting $5 back, making it $6.78. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the chic deal. It's spend $25, get $10 back. I'm picking up 2 of the men's Hydro Skin at $12.79 each. That's $25.58. I'm gonna use 2 of these $4 off coupons. I have an 8 off of 25 Chic CRT. I'm gonna pay $9.58, and I'm gonna get $10 back, making them free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so the U by Kotex is 2 for $8. I'm gonna pick up 2, and I'm gonna use this $2 off 2 manufacturer's coupon. There's also a 2 off of 2 digital that's going to apply. I'm gonna pay $4 and get $2 back, making it $2 or $1 each. Okay guys, so this is our free item this week. Make sure you pick this up. It's the 50 capsules and it's $6.99. It will be completely free. You can also pick up the ibuprofen, but my store is completely out, okay? Okay guys, so I have 2 $4 off of 5 Hallmark CRTs. I'm picking up 1 of the wrapping paper at $4.99. I'm picking up 1 of these bows at $1.79 and 3 of the bags at 49 cents. That's going to be $8.25. $8 is going to come off, leaving my final cost to be just 25 cents for all of the products. Okay guys, I'm picking up 2 of the Crest with Scope mouthwash, and it's $4.79. When you purchase 1, you get a $3 extra care buck. I'm gonna use 2 of these $1 coupons, making it just 79 cents for 1. Okay guys, so the Poise is 2 for $11. I'm gonna pick up 4. I'm gonna use 2 of these coupons right here. $5 off of 2. There's also a 5 off of 2 digital, and I have a 4 off of 20 CRT. I'm gonna pay $3, and then I'll get back $3 on Ibotta for 3 of these products. I had another $3 for each one, but I came to another store because it was out of stock and it disappeared. So now I only have the $1 one. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 1 of these Sting Kill here at my store. It's $5.79. I have this $1 off that I printed huge from the Sting Kill website. I'm gonna pay $4.79, and then I'm gonna get $5 back, making it free and a 21-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so this is my spend 30 get 10. I am picking up 6 of the Gain products at $4.94. That's $29.64. I'm gonna use 6 of these coupons. I might have to split it up. I'll let you know at the end. I'm gonna pay $11.64, and I'll get $10 back, making it just $1.64 for all 6. Okay guys, so the Health Aid Booch Pop It's $2.89 at CVS, and Ibotta is giving back $2.99, making it free and a 10-cent moneymaker. The Downy and the Gain right here, it's $2.99, and I used the $2 Downy coupon, and I used the $2 Gain coupon. The Downy beads over here, it's $3.79 on clearance. I've been waiting for these to drop for a very long time. No one was buying them. I think if I left them all, I would have gotten all of them, but I purchased some before and I've been buying them. So it's $3.79, and the $3 coupon I used, making it just 79 cents, and I picked up 5. They had 5 left and I got those. I think that is everything. I discussed everything in the video. So, final numbers. I've received 2 8 off of 40, which is what I used for my Gain deal and my Dove deal. On one of my accounts, I used it because I did not have the 3 off of 18. So, the 3 off of 18 Nivea attached to the Dove on one of my accounts that I did not have a 8 off of 40, so I used that. On the other one, I used the 8 off of 40, and I did that, and I did my spend 30 deal. So I picked up 4 of the Gain and 2 of the Tide Pods. I used the $3 coupon for the Gain and the $3 coupon for the pod. So this is the card I did not have a spend 40 on, and my 3 off of 18 Nivea attached. And I got my $5 back. If you can see it right there, the receipt is kind of wonky. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the receipt with the poise. I used my 4 off of 22. On one card, I had a 4 off of 22. The other one, I had a 4 off of 20. So everything came off, and I had my free ice cream, which I purchased, the Talenti, and I got everything back. On this card, on Ibotta, I had a $3 poise rebate and a $1 rebate. That was perfectly fine. While I was at one store, I got $16 back and a $1 bonus. So that's $17. When I went to the other store, mine disappeared. So on my husband's account, it was there. By the time I drove to the other store, maybe 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, the rebate was gone. So I only got back $3 for mine and a $1 bonus. So that's $4. Which still made it free and a $1 moneymaker. Okay, so this is my other receipt with my Tide and Gain and my Dove. Everything came off. I used the Dove coupons, $6.49, and the $1 Dove digital came off as well. And my 8 off of 40, I used $16. I paid $143, and I got back $15. So this transaction was $1.43. So that's pretty decent. And I was also tracking towards beauty, so I know I'm going to get some beauty bucks back. So this was completely free as well. Okay, so this is the Kotex and the Pantene and some of the Downy and my Hallmark. Everything came off. The Pantene, the Kotex, my pain reliever, and my 2 Hallmark. I paid 65 cents. I used $20. And I got that, let's see. I had to go to work. This was since the 26th at 11:33 a.m. And I had to run out of the store and go home and get dressed for work. So this video is a day later, okay? So I got back $2 for the Kotex, $6 for the Scope, $5 for the Pantene, and I got back $2 for the Kotex on Fetch. Okay, guys, so the final numbers, everything here cost me $2.53, which is amazing. Now, those 8 off of 40 coupons, those are the best. If I had one on my other account, everything would have been free, but I only had 2. So I used one, and then I received another one, which made the transaction even sweeter. Now, $2.53, this is not including beauty bucks that I'm going to receive. because the body wash and the hair care counts towards beauty. So I will receive at least $6 back because I had a few dollars tracking already on one account. On the other account, I think I'll receive either $6 as well, but I'm not sure. But I know $3 for sure. So when I get that back, everything will be completely free and about a $7 moneymaker. This week was amazing. And I did not think I had so many items until I started putting them on the counter and did my final numbers. I'm like, wow, this week was pretty decent. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.